Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today, new jailbreak tweaks, new and old actually. We have a mixture of awesome jailbreak tweaks. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, so let's dive into them. First jailbreak tweaks, it's called Aemulo, whatever you want to call it. This is a tweak which I cannot show actually how it works, but it actually emulates your NFC cards. So you can create and read and write certain NFC tags. Let me show you the description here. So the tweak is $1.50 and it's a paid tweak from Chari's repo. What it does, basically, it is the ultimate NFC tweak for iOS. So if you want to add the most used NFC cards to wallet on your phone, you can do now with Aemulo. So it supports certain iPhones running iOS 13 or higher, and there are some nodes, etc, etc. So it's pretty straightforward tweak. You can actually read and write NFCs, so you have the option to this is the home screen. You can start reading NFCs if some of them are present. I don't have anything present now, so I cannot really show. There is also the one you can start reading, so you can add certain data, phone number, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever you want to do it, and you can write it as an NFC, and then you can share it with other NFC devices. You can also emulate certain NFCs, and you can add them to your Apple Wallet. So it's a pretty useful tweak which actually gives us that NFC support that all iOS users crave for. The second tweak has been recently updated and it's supporting now from iOS 12 to iOS 16. It's AudioRecorder XS or 10s. This is an amazing tweak which actually serves the purpose of recording your incoming phone calls or your outgoing phone calls. It supports wide variety of apps and it is only $4. I have the license, so it's pretty awesome tweak. I've been using it for forever now, and as you can see, it can record the system audio, it can record Viber if you use that crap, you can record Telegram, your regular phone calls, or WhatsApp, even Skype and other calls, but I don't have them installed here. So you can turn it on, you can show the icon, badges once the phone call is done, and you should play the audio warning message because people should be aware that you're recording the phone call, probably for your office purposes, etc, etc. So this is pretty awesome tweak, AudioRecorder XS. The next one is called Central, and this is a free tweak, very straightforward, very easy to use tweak. You can enable it and you actually central your last row of icons on your home screen. So it's not moved to the left, it's actually in between, which is kind of neat and gives certain symmetry to your home screen. You can see it, and you can also change the layout of your app library. This is the only thing the tweak does. After that, we have the old school one, which has been recently updated for the new jailbreak. It's called Cylinder Remade. It's a free tweak. I'm putting the repo in the description, and you can have many effects as we are used to them, in which your apps can play, as you can see, or move on the home screen while you switch between different home screen windows. Okay, we have now a new tweak, which is Exiwall, and it's $2.50. Very nice tweak. For those of us who have the iOS 15 devices, still we haven't updated to iOS 16, but we like that depth effect on the home screen when you turn on your wallpaper. So this tweak actually gives you that ability. You can see I have this depth effect. Of course, you need to download certain wallpapers that support this effect, but you see it has a pretty nice depth effect there. So this is all thanks to Exiwall tweak. Similarly to AutoUnlockX last time, and thanks to the viewers of my channel here who actually recommended this and few other tweaks, I'm putting their names here. You see they are in the commenting between themselves, which I highly support. Thank you guys. So this is one of the tweaks that has been also updated recently. It's called FastLockX, and it basically gives you the option to automatically unlock your device without having to swipe up. So it's basically AutoUnlockX, and you can see, yes, it works automatically without the need to swipe up. Yeah, it's a free tweak. Another old school tweak is actually FloatingDock 16th. So this is the latest version. It's a free tweak on Havoc repo, and it gives you this option that besides your 4 default icons in the dock, you can have additional icons from which you can choose whether you want them to be So you can choose whether you want them to be the recent apps you used, your library apps, or both, or none. So this is up to you. I've chosen the recent ones, so you can see the most recent 3 apps that I've been using are here in the dock. So it's kind of dynamic dock as we used to seeing on iPads. Right, so we have also another amazing tweak which is called Glow, and it's 2.79. So this is a tweak which actually gives you awesome glow effect on your lock screen once you receive a text message or any notification that you want to see. So in this sense, let me just quickly send myself a message, and we'll see once the message arrives, you can see that it's popped on my screen. Let's do another one. Yes, this is the glow screen, and it glows around your screen all around, and it shows just one big, yes, you can see it, it glows once, and it also increases your icon so you can easily notice your new notifications. Okay, the next one is also famous tweak. It's Jellyfish. It's $2, and it's pretty awesome tweak. So some of you asked for some changes on the lock screen. So here it is. Jellyfish actually makes your lock screen look nice. You can see that it has this different font, different sorting. It's on the right hand side. It's different alignment. You can have thicker font. You can have less thick fonts. So it's kind of neat. It doesn't have too many options to choose from, but it's actually quite neat. You can see that you can show the weather text, you can show the weather icon, you can show the proud lock, you can color, time, etc., etc. So this is basically what it does, and you can position it to the right, center, to the left. You can have thick or thicker or normal font. So it's kind of pretty awesome tweak, Jellyfish. Last but not least, again, updated tweak recently, Shortlook. It works perfectly well on iOS 15 and the new Xena jailbreak. So it gives you a big, short, quick look on your notifications on the lock screen. Since I have the glow, I don't want to show you because it's kind of overlapping, but I'm just going to show the test notification that is predefined here. So you can see it brings the whole screen, in front of you, and you can shortly take a look at your recent notification. Of course, you can change from many things. You can show the contact photos, you can have the translucent background, you can show the whole message if you want, you can set the timeout for how long you want to stick it for it to stick on your lock screen. You can dismiss on raise to wake. For example, when you raise your device, it's going to be dismissed, etc., etc. So it's pretty awesome tweak. It's called Shortlook, and I highly recommend it. Alright, so these are the 10 tweaks for today, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, it won't cost you much, and hopefully we'll see each other in the next video.